Okay, how's it going? So I decided to spare everybody the time, and well, I decided to not waste everybody's time, and I didn't record the priming process of this ALEXSEAL 442 or whatever it's called primer. So behind me you'll see we got the hull all primed up, sanded down, and prepped. Spent the last couple days working my butt off in the evenings. It's been super hot here, so it's been great for painting. Everything turned out really well. I burnt through a few areas, and I'm really hoping this blue, well, I'm sorry, I don't know if it'll be blue. We'll see what color it is when it gets rolled out, because I don't think I've told anyone what color we're going to make this thing. But today is paint day. So yeah, a couple areas I burned through on the front here. I think it's just because it's like a convex, I guess that's the right word. Just really hard to get smooth, and there are some high spots. But we're going to see what happens. I ran into this issue when I was doing the transom, and everything got covered up with the white. You can see there, it looks good, except for that bird shit. So I'm not going to do much talking. I'm just going to get right into the action. I'm going to start prepping. I'm going to start wiping this down. Had to get another container of this. Finished one automotive. There we go, fixed it. The Marine Refinish Products version. This is a limited supply run. You have to know a guy to get this Marine one, so yeah, don't come asking me about it. You'll never find this anywhere else. Anyways, wiped that down yesterday. I found using a microfiber rag soaked with this stuff works really good for getting all the major dust off. I didn't want to wipe it down with water, get it wet, pressure wash it, because it was super dusty. But microfiber rag a couple times, then finished it up with one of these white, like terry cloths or whatever, vinyl things. So I'm gonna get to wiping, and we're gonna get to mixing some paint, and yeah, enjoy watching paint dry. Okay, it has been a heck of a day. Got the 400 grit sandpaper on the side of this thing, smooth it all down. There was a bunch of orange peel popped up overnight, and I was not happy with it. I was not about it. There's some dust there. So went and got the paper out and started sanding again. Sanded it down to 400. Got all the orange peel out. Well, I would say 99% of the orange peel. Also got a nice little mud pit because it decided to rain. So I didn't film any of it because it's just sanding and it's super boring. But this is 2 coats of the ALEXSEAL Fisherman Blue, sanded down with 400 grit. It's got, you know, some nice color to it. It's sanded down obviously, but I'm really hoping when I go and put this 3rd coat on here that it really brightens itself up and makes it look a lot better. Been catalyzing this for like 15 minutes. Same old rigmarole. Gonna reduce it down, and hopefully, no, I'm just kidding. This is the last coat of paint I am putting on the hull. My shoulders are killing me, my back is killing me, my knees are killing me, my whole body hurts. So if it doesn't work out, I'm just gonna accept defeat and go back to the old motto of, as long as it looks good, 10 feet away, that's all we care about. We're gonna go ahead and roll out some paint. I'll time lapse it. You can watch it if you want. Fast forward to the end.